Cluster blackheads removal multiple pore extraction deep cleaning transformation. Some blackheads come one by one, but sometimes they come together, multiple pores, all clogged at the same time, forming a cluster, and when they are removed, the result is incredibly satisfying. In today's treatment, we are removing cluster blackheads from one area, and every extraction reveals a new transformation. What are cluster blackheads? Cluster blackheads are groups of clogged pores located close together. Instead of a single blockage, multiple pores become filled at once. This creates rough skin texture, visible dark spots, uneven appearance. Why clusters form? Clusters form when a specific area of skin becomes overloaded. This can happen due to excess oil production, pore cleaning, buildup accumulation. The pores in that area all start clogging at the same time. Step 1. Skin preparation. We begin by preparing the skin. Gentle cleansing removes surface oil. Steam softens the buildup inside all pores. This makes extraction easier and safer. Step 2. First extractions begin. We start with the outer pores. Each blackhead is removed carefully. One by one, the surface begins to clear. Step 3. Cluster clearing, main satisfaction. Now the core area is targeted. Multiple blackheads are removed continuously. Each extraction reveals a cleaner surface. This is where the transformation becomes visible. Step 4. Deep layer cleaning. Some pores are deeper than others. Extra care is taken to remove full buildup, because partial cleaning leads to quick return. Step 5. Skin recovery. After extraction, the skin is calmed. A soothing treatment reduces redness and helps restore balance. Final transformation. Before, multiple clogged pores. Rough texture. After, clean surface. Smoother skin. The cluster is gone, and the skin feels lighter. Final message. Sometimes, it's not just one problem, it's many in one place, and when they are cleared, the difference is powerful. If you enjoyed this satisfying cluster extraction, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more deep pore cleaning, blackhead removal, and satisfying skincare transformations. Stay connected.